What's up, YouTube family? So we're here at Insurance Auto Auction. There are a couple of cars I'm looking to bid on, possibly buy. These are rebuildable cars. The auction goes live tomorrow. So you guys should work with me while we review these cars. I have 4 or 5 on my list to review today, and let's see how it goes. So the first on my list is this 2017 Golf GTI Autobahn. Let's take a look at the car very well. So this car has extensive damage, and I'm wondering if it's something that will make sense buying to fix it. The interior looks really good. Oh, it has leather seats. Oh, this is really nice. This is really, really nice. So let's see if the car runs. I think it's listed as Lawn and Drive. Let me double check that. Yeah. So let's see if we can raise this to check out the extent of the damage. Okay. We got permission from the lady here to do that. So I think we can. Oops. Maybe we still need to pump the hood. Okay. Whoa. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'll have to hold it. So the radiator is gone, the condenser is gone, the radiator support's gone, the bumper, both headlights gone. Huh, okay. Yeah, but it says it's listed as run and drive. I guess we can try it out and see if it runs. Yeah, we're looking to bring this one to the channel. It looks really good, so let's try and see if it runs. That's gonna be a determining factor. Yeah, it looks like it has power, which is good. Let's see. Push to start. Oh, there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, it runs. It has 72,000 miles in the odometer. Important window works. Less important window works. Oh, this is good. Yeah, I think we'll add this one to the list. Definitely gonna add this one to the list. Yeah, it looks like it's low on coolant, so we're not gonna run it for a long time. Let's see if it moves backward. Yes, forward. Yes, back to the park. Yeah, let's turn the car off. All right, yes, this is it. We're definitely bringing this one to the channel. So the auction starts tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, moving along. The second on my list is this 2014 Mercedes CLS. So this one is listed as run and drive as well, with undercarriage issue. Now the problem now is this is sitting very low, which is never a good sign. Yeah, these cars are very notorious with suspension air suspension issues. When you see them like this, yeah, that's never a good sign at all. All right. One thing I should mention is that as soon as you notice this car sits low, that means there's a leak somewhere with the strut. And of course, that changes everything if you're going to buy this car or not. When you talk about strut replacement, yeah, that's a lot of money. Fortunately, with it sitting this low, we won't be able to check the undercarriage issue, but they say it runs, so we might as well just check it out. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, it has juice in the battery. Okay, let's off the hood. Important window works. The last important window works. AC is ice cold, which is great. Oh, this car also have that's the massage seat functions, which is good. Oh. So yeah, the car is rising up, which is good. I was concerned about that, but it's rising up. So that means the air suspension pump is good. So the engine sounds really good, which is a good thing too. We definitely will have this one on our list, but we'll not go crazy with the beating. This is an older car, 2014, with 96,000 miles. That's quite a lot of mileage for this car. So yeah, the ride height is probably has normalized, so we're good to go with this one. I don't see any other body damage besides just a little nick over here on the door. Let me turn the car off. Okay, I think this is not bad. Yeah, no body damage here as well. All four tires are from the same make and model. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, for the most part, the undercarriage issue, unfortunately, we can't see it now. But, I mean, it's not anything that we cannot fix. So this is gonna go on my list as well. All right, what about a Kia Stinger? This car is a 2021 Kia Stinger. So what's wrong with you? Kia Stinger? I remember when this car came out, it was very popular car that basically a lot of guys out there were saying that it runs pretty good. Oh, there you go. That's the damage right here. Jeez. Okay. All right. So the two doors are damaged. Bumper issue. Rocker panel issue. Yeah, not looking all that good. I don't know if this affected the B pillar. Doesn't look like it did. Oh, okay. Doesn't look like the B pillar was affected. So I think quickly we might have this one on our list. So GT2, 2021. Not looking bad. So let's take a look at the interior. Okay, now, yeah, I didn't even say this damaged too. So which means the driver's side door also is damaged. Yeah. Interior. Okay. This is a smoker car. Jeez. Doesn't smell good at all. But Well, managed to get in and start the car. Has 2 keys, which is good. Key not detected. Let's try it this way. Okay. Key still not detected. Mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah, that's not working. All right. You might have to skip this one. Something is wrong with the key. Is it that the battery is dead? Uh, but the car is listed as run and drive, so yeah, run and drive. We'll keep it on our list just for the sake of it and see if it goes for cheap, we'll buy it. All right, last on our list is this 2017 Jaguar XF, stuck out all the way here. Oh, it has the bumper on the driver's seat. I don't like when they do that. No. Oh no. Oh my goodness, why did they do that? Dang. Oh no. I was really looking forward to see this car run. Let's see if we can squeeze ourselves in, touch the brake, and see if we're able to start the car. No? No, no, no. No way. Yeah, it's all locked up. Unfortunately, they have the bumper in there. And that, my friend, and this too, not coming up. Let's check the hood once more. Okay, we've pulled it up. Yeah, this thing is stuck. It's not coming up. But I saw the picture online. So this fender, yeah, this can be fixed. So this car needs headlights, bumper. Yeah, pretty much it. Oh, one headlight. So this one is fine. Yeah, most definitely gonna have this one on my list. The auction starts tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, not bad at all. But it's a Jag, You have to be worried about the engines and whatnot. But the mileage of this car, it's only, let's double check that again. It's not written here. But I know it's in the low 60s. So which is why I definitely want to check this one out. So keep this one on our list. Unfortunately, we're not able to start the car. The battery seems to be low. And they have the bumper on the driver and passenger seat, the front seat, which is messed up. All right, keep moving on. So the last on our list is this 2017 Mercedes E-Class. Now, this is one of the ones I came here hoping to, oh man, they wrapped this thing up really good. Kind of defeats the purpose of checking the extent of the damage. It's not good at all. But it's listed as run and drive. Yeah, it has power, which is good. Let's move the seat backward. Okay. Oh, it runs. It has all the books and stuff. Here, the car is very dirty. We'll definitely need some TLC. So everything runs. I can hear the fan. The car runs pretty good. Let me turn the radio off. This looks good. It runs really well. Yeah, it will definitely need some cleaning done. Important window, it works. Less important window, works. Let's check the back seat quickly. Not bad. Let's turn the car off because oh. Okay. Yeah, that kind of scared me for a second. So the car didn't want to stop unless you push the button with the key close to it. So this bumper looks like he might have survived. I think he did survive. Okay. We'll beat on this one. Fantastic. Alrighty. Keeping it moving. Okay, everybody, this is where we're gonna call it a day. So unfortunately, we didn't get enough time to review the cars like we wanted to review. So there's this new policy change in IAA where they limit the amount of cars you can review, and they only give you 30 minutes to review all the cars. So yeah, that's unfortunate. And this is due to some recent theft issues that were happening here where, you know, unfortunate event where people comes here to review cars and, you know, they steal the car keys. So of course they have to put some measures in place to mitigate that. And, you know, unfortunately that affects people like us, you know? So, well, which is all right. I think we got enough view of the car we wanted to purchase. So I'm gonna go home and get ready for the auction coming tomorrow. With that being said, that Golf GTI Autobahn, yeah, that's the top of our list. I'm definitely gonna try to bring that to the channel. See how that goes. All right, thank you guys for joining me. As always, let me know what you think. If you guys have another car from the list that I showed you that you would prefer to see, I'll do my best to bid on that tomorrow. Well, thank you, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. Have a good one. Peace.